Okay, today I'm taking apart one of these FLLYROWER LiFePro 4 batteries, 12.8 volt, 100 amp hour. I have not found one of these online on YouTube. Somebody's torn it apart, so I couldn't see what was inside of it. I got a hold of the company. They sent me a video of some batteries that weren't these ones. They said it's their newest version, so it really did no good showing me that. But this one here came apart not too bad. It was glued together. And as you can see, we've got little different cells, very long, thin, balanced leads, everything glued on. These are silicon wires, 10 gauge, 2 of them. And the positive, what do we have here? 7 gauge, and it's silicon also. This one has a switch on the end and your input for your charger and USB ports, 2 USB ports. So there's what's inside anyway. New gauze. There's the model number of the BMS. I'm going to be looking that up. It says 100 amp, so that should be good. It's all potted with urethane foam, so pulling it out would be a real pain. I just wanted to see what was inside of it and give everybody online an idea of what was inside of these batteries.